Four people have been killed in clashes involving two communities in Shur, Marsabit County. The attackers are believed to have thrown an explosive device into a manyatta, leading to the deaths. In the latest flare-up of intercommunal clashes in the expansive county, the Shur attack happened at around midnight, 5 hours after an earlier attack on Idido, where an unknown number of camels was stolen from two homestays. The attacks happened shortly after a visit to the region by Inspector General of Police Joseph Boynet, where he called for peace and asked those with illegal guns to surrender them to the police. The government says it will conduct an operation to rid the area of illegally held firearms.
Security Intelligence Committee order any individual or groups that may be owning firearms illegally to surrender them within 7 days.